My starter won't start this morning, and my motor won't even turn. You know my starter won't start this morning, and my motor won't even turn. Been running the fast class of women, cause my little car ruined. Hold up your head, babe. Darling, you got your chin where mine's supposed to be. Hold up your head, babe. Darling, got your chin where mine's supposed to be. Just wanna lay my head up in your bosom, baby. Lord, that'd be such a good rest for me. Troubling mind, Lord, I'm blue. Lord, I won't be blue always. I know the sun's gonna shine on my door one day. I'm going to lay my head down on some lonesome railroad line. Gonna let that big 1800 pacify my worried mind. Lord, I won't be blue always. Let one of the big 1800 pacify my worried mind.